I wouldn't worry too much about it. I think we're seeing fairly decent pickup in the economy. Yes, relative to expectation, it wasn't that great, but we need to slice and dice the data a little bit. When you look at things like oil demand, what's happening to property prices in second and third tier cities, how auto demand is coming back, what's happening to overall transportation sector, particularly with respect to railway traffic, it paints a picture of an economy which has taken a huge hit and now coming back. Now, whether it's coming back roaringly, probably not. But it is coming back in a fairly decisive manner with fairly conservative fiscal and monetary stimulus in place. The Chinese are not going gangbusters like the rest of the world are and still getting a fairly decent return to activity, if you will. So I am fairly optimistic about the second half of the year. If things slow down, they have the wherewithal to prop things up. But even without major stimulus measures, the economy is coming back quite nicely.
Yeah, but the reason, Taimur, and the follow-up there, or perhaps the counter-argument there, is the reason why they're not going gangbusters in terms of injecting more stimulus in the economy is because they can't afford to, because they don't want to once again stoke the property market and an already indebted environment when we come to the when we look at the banking sector and the different layers of the banking sector.
I think, Tanvir, in this world of a glut of savings and excess liquidity, whether it is China or any other country in the world, spending money to revive or protect demand, I think, is the order of the hour. So I think the debt overhang issue is not a trivial issue, but at the same time, that is not the issue for now. For now, the question is, regardless of your level of debt, regardless of the overhang, you do whatever it takes to prop the economy up. The Chinese have taken, in my view, a rather courageous decision to say, well, we don't probably need to do a whole lot. Things will come back because this is a temporary crisis. And the damage from that is not going to be lasting. It may turn out to be a wrong assumption, but to me, that is a deeper assumption for where the policy matrix is than the notion of debt overhang.